Good afternoon to all the students. Today we will complete Unit 6 of GK and we will start Unit 7. And the page number 64 is natural disasters. Let's move to the first point. A natural phenomena which leads to temporary rise of water level in a water body, mostly rivers, due to excessive rains in the region. This result in the water spilling over out of its natural confines towards land and submerging it. Every year, this natural disaster results in loss of life and property all around the world. And the name of this natural disaster is flood. जब पानी बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है रिवर में तो फ्लड की प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है. सेकेंड इज दिस नेचुरल फिनोमिना इज एक्सपीरियंस्ड विद व्हेन द अर्थ सरफेस ट्रेम्बल्स ड्यू टू द शिफ्टिंग ऑफ टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स एट अ फोल्ट लाइन अंडर द अर्थ सरफेस. The seismic waves thus created are recorded on a seismograph. This instrument determines the magnitude of this phenomena. The effect of this disaster could be devastating, and history is witness to many such events. We also know that seismograph is also used for to measuring the magnitude of earthquake. So the answer of this question is earthquake. Third is this crisis is often the result of other natural events like earthquake or drought. It is accompanied by starvation and severe malnutrition and has a huge huge social and economic impact. The extreme scarcity of food leads to high mortality rate in that region, and the name of this natural disaster is famine. It is due to and famine causes starvation and severe malnutrition also. Next point is it is a geological process which is triggered by soil erosion, heavy rainfall, earthquake, and result in falling of rocks, mud, etc. in a large amount. This natural phenomena may lead to loss of life as it is sudden and quite disastrous. And the name of this natural disaster is landslide. Last is massive storms build up on the warm oceans, creating strong storm surges that move towards the land, causing heavy rainfall and powerful winds, sweeping with speed and destroying everything that comes in its way. The name of this is hurricane. Let's move to the next page, that is CompuQuiz, about computer quiz. First point is this: which language is used to create web pages? And the name of the language is HTML. H means hypertext markup language. The full form of HTML is hypertext markup language. Next is every web page has a specific address associated with it. What is this address known as? इस address को क्या कहते हैं? The name of the address is URL, and the full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Third, what does BCC stand for while composing an email? And the full form of BCC while composing an email is blind carbon copy. Next, fourth is what is the name of parent company of Google? Name of the parent company of Google is Alphabet Inc. Dot. Next, what is the website of the parent company of Google? The name of the website is abc.xyz. Next is what does the term e-zine refer to? E means electronic, zine means magazine, short form of magazine. The answer is electronic magazine. To prevent any fluctuation in power supply to the computer, this particular device is used. What is it? The name of the device is UPS. The full form of UPS is uninterruptible power supply. Next, what is the term used for moving from one web page to another? Browsing. The name of the term is browsing. Next, integrated chips, IC, used in computers are usually made of silicon. Next, last point, who were the founders of the Apple company? Apple company के founders, there are many: Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne. These are the founders of the Apple company. Let's move to the page 4, test paper 4, last page of this unit. This is the test paper. First question is: the part of the sun which is visible at the time of the eclipse is called corona. Next, short sightedness could be corrected by using concave lens. Chandrayaan first was the first lunar probe to be sent by India. Integrated chips, that is IC, used in computers are usually made of silicon. And sunlight is the best source of vitamin D. The molten rock that comes out of a volcano is called lava. Next, issues like bone fractures, pneumonia can be detected using X-rays. Answer the following questions. Which mineral is required in our diet to prevent goiter? That is iodine. Which language is used to create web pages? HTML. In which organ of the human body is the process of digestion completed? That is small intestine. What is the website of the parent company of Google? That is abc.xyz. Name the first person who walked in space. The name of the person is Alexei Leonov. Next, to which planet do the moons Titan and Atlas belong? That is Saturn. Who is famed for his discovery of gravity and his laws of motion? Sir Isaac Newton. Next is Uranus. Is it true or false? Uranus takes 98 years to revolve around the sun. That is false. Actually, Uranus takes 84 years to revolve around the sun. Next, Steve Jobs is one of the founders of the Apple company. Yes. BCC stands for blind carbon copy. Yes, this is right. This is true. Browsing is the term used for moving one page to another. Yes, it is also true. The adult human body holds around 10 liters of blood. That is wrong. 5 liters of blood. UPS stands for uninterruptible power supply. That is also true. Marie Curie won the Nobel Prize in 1945 for discovering the first antibiotic called penicillin in 1928. Wrong. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming, not by Marie Curie. That is also false. Let's move to the 7th unit. And first page of 7th unit is North America. That page is for reading only. There is no question answers or fill ups anything in this page. We will read this page to increase our knowledge. First is Death Valley National Park, is the land of extremes. It is lowest point of North America and is located in eastern California. The valley is covered with a thick layer of salt that is often mistaken for snow by visitors. In July 2018, it was recorded as the hottest place on the earth. Next is Lake Superior, is the world's largest freshwater lake by surface area and is considered as the third largest lake in the world by the volume of the water it holds. The lake drains into the St. Mary's River and then further into the Lake Huron. Next, Niagara Falls is formed by three waterfalls, that is the Horseshoe Fall, the American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. The Horseshoe Falls are also known as Canadian Falls. One famous name of Horseshoe Falls is Canadian Falls, and together with the other two falls merged to form North America's highest flow rate waterfall, that is Niagara Falls. Next is Grand Canyon, were carved by the famous Colorado River in Arizona, America, and are 277 miles long and 18 miles wide. This canyon is often considered as one of the wonders of the world. And that all for today. Complete unit 6 of GK. Thank you and have a nice day.